Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Guys, today we are going to learn about all the details of VMC and CNC machine. And also we are going to learn about the difference between VMC and CNC machine. Guys, as we all of know that there are some difference due to which we refer sometimes VMC machine and due to which sometimes we use CNC machine. Okay, in this picture you can easily watch the construction and the assembly of CNC machine. Okay, look at the spindle and the turret of the CNC machine. And now in this picture you can watch the construction and assembly of VMC machine. How to holding position of a tool or a cutter, how is the bed position, how we can clamp the fixture, and how we can clamp a job over it. Okay, this is all you can see in this picture. So guys, we can also watch the operational difference between these two machines. You can watch in this video how the CNC machine looks like during the operation, and we can watch in this video how the VMC machine works actually different than the CNC machine. Okay guys, now guys we are going to learn about the major difference between CNC machine and VMC machine. First, CNC machine. CNC machine. Second one is VMC machine. Okay guys, so the first difference between these two machines is, in CNC machine, you had watched the video of CNC machine. In CNC machine, workpiece rotate and tool remains stationary. Okay, workpiece rotate. First difference is what? Workpiece rotate. Okay, and tool remain stationary. Okay, and in VMC machine, workpiece remains stationary and tool rotate. Okay, tool rotate. Okay, now the second difference is, in CNC machine there are only two axes, X axis and Z axis. Okay, two axes, X and Z. But in VMC machine there are three axes, X, Y, Z. Three axes, Y and Z axis, three axes. Okay guys, so the third difference between these two machines is, whenever we take offset in CNC machine, whenever we take the tool offset, we have to take two offset. Which are two offset? That's our first offset is X axis offset and Z offset. Okay guys, in CNC machine we have to take two geometrical offset of tool, but in VMC machine we have to take only one geometrical offset, that is Z offset, Z axis offset, Z axis offset. Guys, whenever we assemble new tool on CNC machine, we always have to take two offset. First offset is X offset, means X0 on the OD of the job, and the second offset is Z0 on the end face of the job. Okay, but in VMC machine we have to take only one geometrical offset of the tool, that is Z0. Okay guys, now the major difference between these two is, that is, in CNC machine there is only workstation, there is only one workstation, means there is only one job performed at a single time, or there is only one job we can manufacture on a CNC machine, or we can set on CNC machine at a single time. But in VMC machine we can set multiple jobs, means we can set first job, second job, third job in single time. Okay, so guys, we can set only one job at a time we can set multiple job in G54, G55 up to G59. Okay. Now the another difference between these two is the feed provided in CNC machine, the feed provided by the turret. Okay, feed provided by turret, feed provided by turret, and in VMC machine feed provided by the table movement. Okay, feed provided by table movement. By table movement. Okay guys, now the another difference is in CNC machine tools are set in magazine. In CNC machine tools sets in turret, and in VMC machine tools sets in magazine. Okay, another difference between these two machines is on CNC machine we can only manufacture circular job. Sometimes by using the 4-jaw chuck we can hold the square pieces or rectangular pieces also, but the operation we can done on that job is only circular operation. Okay, so in short I am saying you that in CNC machine we can only perform the circular operation which are possible on CNC machine. Okay, and maximum time we only hold circular job on CNC machine. Okay, and in VMC machine we can manufacture maximum type of job. We can manufacture circular job, rectangular job, and any another job. Okay, and the next difference is in CNC machine we hold the job in jaw. Okay, yeah, whether 3-jaw or in 4-jaw, whether in hydraulic jaw, or we can mount our 4-jaw chuck on hydraulic chuck, and after holding 4-jaw individual chuck in hydraulic chuck we can set our job in 4-jaw chuck. Okay guys, we can do this operation also. And in VMC machine we can clamp our job in fixtures or on magnetic table or etc. We can top clamps, we can use top clamp to hold the job, but here we can only clamp job in CNC chuck. This was the major difference between CNC and VMC machine. Some new learners doesn't know the actual difference between CNC machine and VMC machine. This is a basic informational video for those who just started the learning CNC and VMC operating and programming. Okay guys, like this there is another video available on our channel, and here is also available video in Hindi and Marathi languages. If you like the video, then please like the video and share to your friends who are learning CNC and VMC machines, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you guys.